माय नेम इज सौम्या सरकार और आप देख रहे हैं रेडिफाइन ब्लॉग। लास्ट ब्लॉग में हमने डिफरेंट फाइनेंशियल स्ट्रेटजीज के बारे में बात किए थे। इस बार हम बात कर रहे हैं क्या सचमुच फाइनेंशियल स्ट्रेटजी आपके लिए कितना जरूरत है। क्या हमें सचमुच कॉम्प्लेक्स फाइनेंशियल स्ट्रेटजीज चाहिए पोर्टफोलियो बनाने के लिए? नहीं चाहिए। जैसे बहुत सारे इन्वेस्टर्स मेरे पास क्वेश्चन करते हैं जी क्या कैसे ऑप्शन ट्रेडिंग होता है, कैसे फ्यूचर में ट्रेडिंग होता है, फ्यूचर ट्रेडिंग से कितना पैसा बनता है, क्या बनता है, इस टाइप के क्वेश्चंस। मेरे ख्याल में मैं आपको बहुत सारे कॉम्प्लेक्स फाइनेंशियल प्लान्स दे सकता हूँ जो कि वेरी कॉम्प्लेक्स इन नेचर एंड व्हिच कैन बी mind boggling, mind calculations and mathematics and probability or game theory and all those things would be there. But I would like to tell you that आपका जो प्लान है, जो फाइनेंशियल प्लान है, वो हमेशा बहुत सिंपल होना चाहिए। सिंपल इसीलिए होना चाहिए क्योंकि वो आपको और आपको फाइनेंशियल एडवाइजर है दोनों को अंडरस्टैंड हो सके। If you are making a financial plan which is very complex, probably which you do not understand, a person who understands it very well can make a fool out of it. That is a very dangerous thing. But we all love very complexities and everything, so there will be mind-boggling mathematics and everything. But I would recommend you to stay away from very complex financial plans and financial options. Like last year, I'll give you an example of March 2020. I'm giving you the real life example of two of my clients. One client who wants to be very simple plan. He says, I do not want to go to any complex things. Another client says, he did not say he wants a complex plan, but he asked me about future and option, how to trade, what the market is doing, what the technical things are doing, how the fundamental is doing, how the currencies are doing, what is going to happen and everything. So what happened is that both the client invested in March 2020 kind of a time, when the market hit the historic. What happened is that the client who did not want any complex financial plan or did not want any kind of a economic background or everything to invest the money, and the person who did all those things actually made the lower return than the person who did not do those things. You will be surprised to know, but the person who did not do anything with his portfolio had made more than 12% return than the person who made all the changes in the portfolio. He booked profit, he again put the money back and all those things. So my basic understanding is that if you stay away from complex financial plannings, complex financial products, which is beyond understanding, then it might not suit for your long-term investment prospects. Because when you are going for something which is very complex, it might give you satisfaction for a limited period of time, but over the longer run you feel discomfort with it. Suppose if you are managing a machine which you do not know, so sometimes you might click on the buttons to see whether it is working or not, but after a certain time once your excitement goes away you will not be able to operate it properly. So this is the very important part when you are doing your finance. So I would recommend that when you are talking to a financial advisor, when you are talking to your mutual fund advisor, when you are talking to your financial people, you should make the things which is very easy to understand for all of you. You can, when it is very easy to understand, you can always find what is the flaws into it. Suppose if I put something which is very complex, understand this complex things and then come out with a flaw out of it would be a much longer time it will take and it might not suitable for you. So you see that probably 4 years or 5 years of crucial time has gone. Instead, if you are going for a very simple thing which you will understand probably over the period of 2 days, 3 days or maximum by 6 months or a year, that will help you to see the growth in the portfolio and change the things accordingly, understand where thing goes wrong and then change accordingly. These are very important things and I would recommend you that you should keep the things very simple, logical and clear to you. Another question which has come up that recently the ups and downs about the small and mid cap segment. Small and mid cap segment usually are very volatile. From the historic low of March 2020, small cap has gone more than 200% rise and everything. So obviously there will be some fall. This fall doesn't say that it is a permanent fall, but yes, there will be some fall. It is quite obvious that market will have some corrections on its way. But this market still showing us a bullish trend, and I hope as on date, it is better if you are consult your financial advisor or a portfolio manager to more about it and change your portfolio accordingly. Thank you very much for this video. If you like it, you can like the video, you can subscribe the channel, or you can raise the questions. We will try to answer you on every questions whenever we have the opportunity to do so. Thank you very much for watching.